Here's some blue-collar workers trivia. Subscribe. What profession involves repairing vehicles? Is it A, mechanic, B, electrician, C, carpenter, or D, plumber? The correct answer is A, mechanic. Who typically installs electrical systems? Is it A, plumber, B, electrician, C, carpenter, or D, architect? The correct answer is B, electrician. Which worker is known for welding metal parts? Is it A, blacksmith, B, electrician, C, welder, or D, carpenter? The correct answer is C, welder. What job involves fixing plumbing issues? Is it A, mechanic, B, carpenter, C, electrician, or D, plumber? The correct answer is D, plumber. What is a person's job who lays brick? Is it A, mason, B, plumber, C, carpenter, or D, electrician? The correct answer is A, mason. Who does maintenance on heating systems? Is it A, HVAC technician, B, painter, C, plumber, or D, electrician? The correct answer is A, HVAC technician. Who troubleshoots computer networks? Is it A, security analyst, B, data scientist, C, network technician, or D, software developer? The correct answer is C, network technician. Who focuses on transporting goods? Is it A, inventory manager, B, logistics coordinator, C, supply chain analyst, or D, warehouse supervisor? The correct answer is B, logistics coordinator. What worker measures and pours concrete? Is it A, carpenter, B, architect, C, roofer, or D, concrete finisher? The correct answer is D, concrete finisher. Who operates cranes on construction sites? Is it A, electrician, B, crane operator, C, survey technician, or D, forklift driver? The correct answer is B, crane operator. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.